Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get your blender, put in half a cup of whole milk, third of a cup of coconut milk or coconut cream, 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream, 2 shots or 60 mils of Caribbean white rum or Malibu, and a quarter of a cup of plain yogurt. Now blend this on medium for 30 seconds, or if you've got this blend deck, press 2.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.